Hello guys, welcome to C. Today I'm going to show you how to add two integer in C using the function. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the first thing we need to write is hashtag include stdr.h and hashtag include corner.h. So the use of stdr.h and corner.h is to perform various input and output functions. The both functions we need to write for now. So the next we will start our function int add into bracket int a comma int b. The function starts int x semicolon x equals to a plus b semicolon. Here we need to return some value or it will not run, so return x semicolon function closed. Now our main function starts void main to brackets, the curly brackets, int x. I will take x and y. You can take another variable as above also. So x comma y, sorry for this, uh, x comma y comma a b semicolon clear screen. Here above I have used ab, the mid detail I will show you down. So print f into bracket double inverted comma enter the number semicolon at the end scanf into bracket double inverted comma into bracket percentage d comma and x semicolon. Again the whole process for the second number printf to bracket enter the number and semicolon at the end, and then scanf into bracket double inverted comma percentage d comma and y semicolon. So now we will call the function that we have written ab. The use of ab is here as shown. Ab equals to add into bracket x and y. We need to take the variable which are declared down. So now print f into bracket double inverted comma answer equals to percentage d to show the answer comma a b semicolon at the end get into the double brackets semicolon. So the main function closed. So now we will compile our program, so the success, and now we will run the program and then it runs. So now 2 2 4. So here is the answer. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for